We all know that first day on the job feeling. Memorable, but stressful. With a new role comes new faces, responsibilities, and workload. It can get overwhelming very quickly. Workbot reduces the stress of a new role by giving new hires a warm welcome and sharing useful resources, tips, and links using Slack or other collaboration tools. Workbot also shares the right channels where conversations are happening so new members can feel welcome and informed right when they join. Let's say Rana is a new hire at Workato and her start date has been updated to today's date, February 5th, in Workday. Workbot sees this update on Workday. When Rana joins and logs onto Slack, Workbot greets her with a welcome message and directs her to a channel where she can introduce herself and meet other new members. Workbot shares some suggested Slack channels, role-specific channels, and channels just for fun, so Rana can really get involved with the team from the beginning. Workbot also shares key points of contact and important HR tools like payroll and benefits, so she can start off on the right foot. The next day, Workbot checks in with Rana and surfaces up the key points of contact and links to the tools for her reference. Fast forward to 1 week later, Workbot checks in and congratulates Rana for completing her first week on the job. Workbot is completely customizable. Share your workplace policies, the best coffee shops near the office, or upcoming company socials and happy hours at any point in time along a new hire's journey. Now, new members can feel like a part of the team, starting from day one. This is only one of the thousands of ways we use automation here at Workato to make every day more amazing than the last. Discover how you can use the power of automation to improve experiences for your employees, customers, and everyone in between. Request a demo today to get started.